I wanted to share with you a wonderful ability that we have to add a vignette to our images. And I'm not talking about a black vignette, I'm talking about a colored vignette. It absolutely works wonders to smooth out a background or to hide some elements in the background. And it's easy peasy. So all we have to do is take an image like I have here. This is a cute little dahlia from Swan Island in Oregon. And I'm going to go up to Filter, NIK Color Efex Pro. And I'm going to go down to Vignette Filter, which is right here on the left. And it comes up as a black filter, a black vignette, and that's fine, but we're not going to leave it like that. I'm going to change the shape to round. I'm going to place the center so that it's more in the center of my flower. And then I'm going to take the opacity all the way down so I don't see the black anymore. And I'm going to go up here and grab this eyedropper. And I'm going to pick up some green that's in the background, maybe right about here. And then you can see that the color box has changed to the green. Now I'm going to bring the opacity back up. And look what happens. All of a sudden my background has a green vignette, which is great. But now you will notice that the vignette now is covering up some of the tips of the petals. That's fine. We're just going to leave it like that and say okay. We're going to go back into Photoshop at this point. I'm going to go down and grab the front load washing machine right here. And that will create a layer mask. And you can see that my layer mask is white. White reveals, so that means that the vignette filter is revealed on my flower. And what I want to do is conceal that vignette filter on the tips of my petals. So black conceals and white reveals. So I'm going to grab a black brush, and I'm going to make it a little smaller, even smaller. And now with a black brush, I'm going to go in and paint over my petals to remove or conceal the vignette. I don't want it on the petals, so we're just going to simply take it off. Now, I would take more care with this if I was doing it at home and had time, but I just want to demonstrate to you how easy this is. And voila, now look at the difference. If I click the eyeball on and off, no filter, no vignette filter, with vignette filter. I could also, if I decide that's a little too much, I can adjust the opacity here, and I like that a little better. I like to see a little of the background coming through. So maybe right about there, about 80%, and there we go. This is just fabulous. You'll use this over and over. And when you're done, you can just flatten your layer and save your image. And you're done.